Welcome to Wrenches in Motion. If it ain't broke, I ain't buying it. And today we're going to do a short video of 2005 Pontiac Vibe third brake light. This is out. We got brake lights on both sides. So what's the deal with this? Well, earlier I had taken this apart, replaced the bulb with not the correct type. It's supposed to take a 921, and I put in a 440, I believe, 7440, I think. Anyway, it works, but then it does this. It did fit loose in the socket, so I think that's the issue. Because now it works. So the light works. What I'm going to do now is turn the brake lights off, and we're going to replace it with the proper 921 bulb. Just to see if it makes a difference, because it should. Okay, so if you get in closer, I'm probably going to take you off of the tripod, and I'll show you how we go about doing this. Alright, so the first thing we got is we got these two little clips on either side. Push them in. I should release this. There we go. Oh. And don't lose your little clip. Alright, now I take this off. Oh, let me get it in the picture here. So once again, we're just going to use a little clip. Pop that up. Watch it fall. Almost seems like it's broken, but it's not. Everything's still there. Okay. Now, deep in there is the bulb, which you can reach. Stick your hands in here, pull it out. Alright, so there is the wrong bulb. And where is the right bulb? Ah, right here. Okay, this is a 921. Let me open the package. I'll be right back. Well, I can't really tell the difference, so try to get up high enough to see what we're doing. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there we go. May not be able to get this with my hand, with one hand. Alright, let me put this in, I'll be right back. Alright, well the bulb is in, but I'm not going to lie, I don't like it. It seems like it's loose in that socket. Okay, it worked. Okay. So let me open and close it a few more times, jar it around a little bit. Okay, that must have been it. It is working fine. Well, it still seemed like it was loose in there, but you know, if it's going to work, it's going to work. Alright, let's pop our cover back on so we don't see it from the inside. So I did forget to do that once, and boy was that annoying. Step on the brakes and all of a sudden you've got this bright red glow in your mirror. Alright, next thing is the rear wiper. So that's going to do it for this video. Nice and short. I don't know if there's any videos out there showing this on the internet, but if not, this will be the first. So until next time, keep the wheels down and keep your wrenches in motion.